Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Express Fix. So today's video we have a 2017 Toyota Corolla CVT transmission. So today I'm going to show you how to change the fluid for this car. We got the fluid from the dealer, special from Toyota CVT. And stay with me, I'm going to show you how to do this fluid. Stay with me. So okay guys, we have a plug up here. We need to open that one. Open that one. And you have plug on the sides over here. Let's show you, it's right there. You have to use 1516 to open the plug right there at the top. It's gotta be this one right there, number 1516. Then we go drain the fluid. We're gonna use the fluid from the dealership. That's the fluid we're supposed to use. Guys, it's so expensive. This one is it costs $100 at each one, so you need only one. Stay with my show you how to do that. Okay, open this one. And it's better get the bucket like that, so you can collect the fluid. When the car passes 150,000 miles, I don't recommend flush the transmission all the way. You don't want to take risks to damage the transmission. So always drain and fill is going to be fine. But we collect the oil, we'll see how much fluid is coming from the transmission. And we keep adding some fluid on the top until we clean the whole transmission. We'll make sure the fluid is clean. Then we're done. Let's see. So exactly, I got 1 quart and a half. So after 1 quart and a half be done, we're gonna add in fluid from the top until the fluid gets clean. Stay with me, guys. And now, guys, what we need a pump like this one here, and we're gonna put on the top to add in fluid. Then so guys, now we're gonna put the hose on the top. And we're gonna start flushing. There you go, first. So, flush the fluid until we make sure the transmission coming clean from the top. See, like that, guys. That's how we will flush it. Best way. Like that, we clean all the transmission from the top. Be careful, there's no oil lot, because they have to be there like 1 quart and a half. Keep going. Oh yeah, it's really dirty, guys. So you keep pumping like that. I know. There's the fluid go on the top, and the fluid start coming from the sides. Okay, fluid stay dirty. فوقف مصطفى
لسه في مليان
عرفت. Keep going. How many quarts stay there?
I can't tell.
Stay 1 quart and a half. جيب So guys, after we finish the flush right now, so we're waiting until it drip really good. Then we're gonna put the plug back. So put the plug back like that. And close it. So what we gotta now, we gotta add 1 quart and a half. So this, after I flush the whole tank. I put the whole tank. It gets 1 quart and a half from the CVT from Toyota. 1 quart and a half here, and the rest of the fluid I flushed the transmission with. So now we're gonna close this one back. And it's better to have a tools like this one to find the one you need exactly. Yeah. And we add the fluid. Add the fluid now.
I know what to add to hot.
Yeah.
Right.
No, that one top. So now we add the fluid from the sides. Really easy, guys, job. A lot of it says like change the filter and stuff like that, but when you have 150,000 miles and up, I know you don't want to take chance to damage the transmission. That's it.
Oh, no, that's it. Hold this. It's okay. Hold this one. Yeah, just like that.
That's good. Good, baby. Okay, we're done to add fluid now. We have to do now, put the plug back. One second. So we put the plug back to place. I'll show you how to put the plug. Use 1516 to close the plug. And until we tied it back now, guys, what we have to do, put everything back to the place, put the tires back, and we start in the car and we shift the transmission. We gotta do reverse 10 seconds, neutral 10 seconds, and drive 10 seconds, and back again to neutral 10 seconds, reverse 10 seconds, and parking. Let the car run in one more time and shift it again, and that's it, you're done. Okay guys, so after we change the transmission fluid, this is the fluid they've been using from the dealership. You can buy from the dealership. They cost $100 each for 5 quarts, CVT. So guys, if the car has a lot of mileage, don't risk and take it to someone, flush the whole tank, because you can damage your transmission. Especially if you never changed fluid before, because your transmission is supposed to be done every 60,000 miles, not 150 or 120. So if you pass, always just drain and fill, and like I do the same process I show you right now. Keep 1 quart and a half in the same place. This with the engine for CVT tank, and after that add the rest of the fluid to the transmission and keep drawing all the bad fluid on sides of it. Then when the fluid will be done, close it and add the 1 quart and a half. Then start the car, shift it each gear 10 seconds. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks.